Looking for a great way to cook a chicken so that it's golden brown on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside? If so, stick around and I'll show you how I do it. Welcome to Rough Riders, I'm Jay Taylor. In this video we're going to be smoking a chicken on the RecTeq 700. Now the way I do this is with something called the 0 to 400 method, and it always seems to come out really like perfect. Crispy golden brown skin, tender, juicy on the inside. It's not rubbery or anything like that. It's just really good. So in this video we're going to show you how, at least how I do it, to get this really good cook. Now, before we start, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spatchcock this chicken, which means I'm going to cut out the spine and butterfly it, open it up, and that gives a really even cook. It also gets more of the skin up top, so that way as it smokes and cooks and everything like that, it gets a really good golden brown skin on it. So to do that, we're going to put on some gloves. And I've got some industrial-like scissors here that I use to do this. I've already pulled the innards out and all of that kind of stuff. And so now we're just going to cut this spine out. And now we're going to just season it, with your preferred seasonings. I'm just using some Montreal chicken seasoning from McCormick. Does a pretty good job. I've done it with other seasonings and stuff. Sometimes I use like a good barbecue rub and stuff, which also comes out really good. But yeah, just season it up. I've already rinsed the bird off. So with the bird seasoned and ready to go, I'm going to go put it on the smoker. Now, the 0-400 method, you do not preheat the smoker. You're going to start it off at 0 degrees and put the bird on right at the same time. I am going to use the probes on this though, so that I can determine when the internal temperature of the chicken gets to 165. It needs to be at 165 for at least a good minute or two to know that the bird is all the way cooked. So if you let it go past 165 to 167 or so, it should be really good. So let's go get this on the smoker and get this thing started. So as I said, we're not preheating the smoker on this, so we're just going to go ahead and start it up. Get the chicken on there. And then we're setting the smoker to 400 degrees. And we're going to go grab some probes and put it into the meat so that we can watch the internal temp. I'm using both probes so that I can get different temp readings from different parts of the meat to make sure the whole thing reaches the 165 cook temp. And now what's going to happen is, as that temperature climbs, the closer it gets to 400, I should be getting pretty close to 165 on the internal temp of the meat. With the whole chicken like this, it generally takes a little bit longer, so you do have to leave it at 400 a longer period of time to get that 165. If you do this method with like wings and drumettes and things like that, generally by the time it hits 400 degrees, your temperature, your internal temp of your meat is already at 165. So that's why they called it the 0 to 400, because you put it in at 0, by the time it hits 400, you're at right about 165 on the cook temp, on the internal temp of the meat. Okay, the probes are reading 168, so the chicken should be about ready to come off, so let's take a look and see how it's doing. So the skin looks really golden brown. Let's get it off there and get it inside and cut it open and see how it looks on the inside. All right, let's see how it looks on the inside and see if we got it juicy and still tender without being dry or rubbery. The crust, or the skin, is definitely crunchy. And let's get it open. Oh yeah, it's definitely juicy. Let me give you a closer look at this. It's firm but still dripping, so still juicy. So I think it came out really good. So there you go. That's all there is to it, to doing a 0-400 on a whole chicken. It comes out perfect literally every time. I've never had it fail me once. As I said, the skin comes out nice and crispy. The chicken itself, the meat is super tender, super juicy. It's not rubbery at all. It's really, really good. So if you're looking for a way to fix chicken on your smoker, try the 0-400 on a whole chicken. I think you won't regret it. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And we'll see you next time here on Rough Riders, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.